Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to open your Chevy Cruze hood. First, find the hood release lever located under the driver's side dashboard, typically to the left of the brake pedal. Give it a firm pull, or pull it twice if your model requires it. You should hear a soft pop as the primary latch releases, slightly raising the hood. Now, walk to the front of your Cruze where the hood has popped up a few inches. Carefully reach your hand into the opening, just above the grille. You'll need to feel around for a small safety lever or tab. This secondary latch is usually located near the center, or slightly to the left of the hood's midline. Once you've located the secondary safety latch, either push it to the side, typically to your right or left, or lift it upwards. While holding the latch, use your other hand to gently lift the hood completely open. This action fully disengages the safety mechanism, granting you full access to the engine compartment for any necessary tasks. With the hood now open, find the metal prop rod, which is typically clipped to the underside of the hood itself. Carefully unclip it and extend it fully. Then, securely insert the end of the prop rod into the designated hole on the engine bay frame. This ensures the hood remains safely open while you work, preventing accidental closure.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.